Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw help center answers from Zendesk into a chatbot, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the Help Center section in your Zendesk dashboard. Locate the article or answer you want to withdraw for your chatbot. Open the article and copy the content you wish to use. Switch to the platform where your chatbot is hosted. Access the settings or integration section of your chatbot platform. Look for options to import or add knowledge base content. Paste the copied Zendesk article content into the designated field. Ensure the format remains consistent with your chatbot's requirements. Customize the response as necessary to match your brand's voice. Save or publish the updated response in your chatbot settings. Test the chatbot to verify that it provides the Zendesk content accurately. Monitor the chatbot interactions to ensure user satisfaction with the answers. Make adjustments as needed based on user feedback. Repeat this process for additional articles from the Zendesk Help Center. Regularly update your chatbot's knowledge base to keep information current. Consider setting up automation for future content withdrawals if your platform allows it. This will streamline the process and reduce manual labor over time. That's it. You've successfully integrated Zendesk Help Center answers into your chatbot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.